Surprise eggs! Oh! Yellow! Open! 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 Yellow elephant! Yellow elephant. Well,
one little elephant was happily playing, swinging on a spider's web. Then when he found that it still resisted, he went and called another little elephant.
I want more. Blue. Open. 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 Surprise! A blue elephant. Blue elephant. Well,
Two little elephants were happily playing, swinging on a spider's web. Then when they found that it still resisted, they went and called another little elephant.
more elephants. Green. Open. 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 Surprise! Green elephant. Green elephant. Well,
Three little elephants were happily playing, swinging on a spider's web. Then when they found that it still resisted, they went and called another little elephant.
more. Pink. Open, open, open. Surprise! Pink elephant. Well, pink elephant.
Four little elephants were happily playing, swinging on a spider's web. Then when they found that it still resisted, they went and called another little elephant.
Another elephant. Red. Open. 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 Wow! Red elephant. Red elephant. Ooh! Well,
1, 2, 3, 4. 5 little elephants were happily playing, swinging on a spider's web. Then play with the colored surprise egg.
Blue egg. Open! 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 Huh? Yes! Present!
Hi, Cuquín. Today, we're gonna learn the vowels. Let's start with the letter A. Not like that, Cuquín. Look.
Oh.
Not like that, Cuquín. Look. Not like that, Cuquín. Look.
A-E-I-O-U.